reporting from Dovercourt International School for Singapore News Today. Easter is just around the corner.
Did you say Easter? What on earth is that?
Let's go on a festival correspondent to find out about this special time.
Thanks, Cleva. Easter is a Christian festival that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ.
Oh, like what is that scrambled eggs and toast?
Eggs are in fact an important part of Easter. They are a symbol of new life. There are lots of traditions at Easter time all over the world. Thanks, Betsy. We have a very special guest to help us find out more.
Twinkly nose, tiny tail. Up he goes. What is he?
Can you guess? I feed him carrots.
And water quest, his ears are long. His tail is small and he didn't make any noise at all.
He knows, tiny tail. Up he goes.
One, two, three, four, five, six, ooh, that's ready.
I am extremely ready for this adventure. I am going to Poland first. Poland is a country in Europe.
Dad, tell me, how do you celebrate Easter in Poland? In Poland, boys traditionally sprinkle water on girls. This has since turned into more like a water fight.
Baskets of food will be brought to the church to be blessed.
This is so exciting. Let's hop to our next destination, Scotland. Scotland is part of the United Kingdom. Hey Scotland, how do you celebrate Easter here? In Scotland, they have egg rolling competitions. Eggs are boiled and then painted. Children roll eggs down grassy hills. Whoever rolls the farthest wins. It symbolizes the rock rolling from Jesus' tomb.
That was exceptional information. Our next stop for cars allowed to happen. We are going to Bermuda. Bermuda is an island in the North Atlantic Ocean.
How is Easter celebrated in Bermuda?
In Bermuda, people fly homemade kites to symbolize the rising of the Christ.
Most of the kites are flown on Easter Monday.
On Easter, people do competitions to make the best kites.
The sky is transformed into a dancing mosaic of brilliant and beautiful shapes, colors, and sounds.
After kite flying, there is a delicious meal of codfish cakes and warm hot cross buns.
With tuppence for paper and strings, you can have your own set of wings. With your feet on the ground, you're a bird in flight. With your fist holding tight to the string of your kite. Oh, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
When you send it flying up there, all at once you're lighter than air. You can dance on the breeze over houses and trees with your fist holding tight to the string of your kite.
Exercise while traveling around the world. Time to hop to Spain. Is a country in Southwest Europe. Hola amigos, how do you celebrate Easter?
Children bring palm leaves to church. People decorate churches with flowers.
In Spain, boys and girls bang drums in church processions.
Easter egg trees. Decorated eggs are hung from the tree. The most well-known decorated tree belongs to a man called Walter Scott. His family has been decorating their tree since 1965. In 2012, there were a few more, 10,000 to be exact. Day. It is celebrated in an enjoyment of the fasting pyramid of Lent. Hi everyone, welcome to our kitchen in Ireland. Today we are going to show you how to make pancakes. So we've got all the ingredients in here already, now we just mix. No, you need more ingredients. No! Hey! Alright! Stop fighting! Thankfully, we have some we made earlier. Yum! Best pancake I've ever tasted. Delicious. I've so many egg comes, it's not even bunny. That's cracking me up. Next up, Sweden and Finland. Let's hop to it. In Sweden and Finland, children dress up as Easter witches and go around the neighborhood granting wishes of happiness and good health. As a reward, they usually receive sweets and chocolate eggs. They carry decorated twigs as part of their costume. What country is there a big water fight? Poland! What do people dress up as in Sweden and Finland? Witches! Ooh! In Spain, what does people decorate branches with? Flowers! Why are Easter eggs important on Easter? Because they're a symbol of new life. What food did they make in Ireland? Pancakes! Well, how many eggs were there in Volkerkraft's tree in 2012? Well, that's a hard one. 10,000! The Easter wind blows as clovers dance, birds singing on a branch. Of the swaying green leaves from the glistening oak tree, amethyst flowers grow in its leaves. The Easter bunny hops around the tree.